Instagram is kind of like the new home for artists now. It's completely wiped out DeviantArt. Hell, the fact that y'all are looking at me now like, what is DeviantArt? Kind of proves my point. So an artist buddy of mine on Instagram, Ink Art Louise, actually hit me up months ago. So this collaboration has been in the making. But we wanted to come together and do something pretty cool for fun. And draw two popular characters kind of fighting each other. And just have fun with it. Have fun with the art community on Instagram. And I guess here on YouTube as well. And everywhere else. All the in-betweens, the Twitters, which are the ones relevant? Facebook, TikTok. Y'all want to see me on TikTok? You want to see this mug on TikTok? Two popular characters clashing, and everybody comments on who they got. Want to do something really nice and creative, so he picked Hitsugaya from Bleach, and I went with something more contemporary, something more popular in the now. Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. I'm kind of watching Demon Slayer right now, off and on. Currently I'm enjoying it, and I'm enjoying taking my time with it. So we'll see how that goes. Only good things I hear. Kind of halfway through the first season now. Having fun with it. The goal here was to illustrate on the same digital canvas. I draw my part, Tanjiro from Demon Slayer, while he does his part, Hitsugaya from Bleach. Bleach, also a huge inspiration of mine. Most of you already know that. Overall, I thought this piece and the characters picked together were interesting. Obviously, you have Tanjiro who does a lot of the water stuff, but there's more than the water stuff. Unfortunately for me, a lot of things have been spoiled because people on Twitter don't know how to shut up. It is what it is. He can do... I guess I shouldn't spoil it, because if I spoil it, I'll be a hypocrite. But he can do more than that, right? And then you have Hitsugaya with all the ice-based attacks. And so it can be an interesting thing. And at face value, you would think that Toshiro Hitsugaya would probably run with it, right? But you guys can leave in the comments who you got. Hope you guys enjoyed the speed paint that we'll be running through right now. Did all the stuff in Photoshop, and I tried to emulate the anime style of Demon Slayer. So it helped that I'm actually watching it in, not necessarily in real time, but I'm currently still watching the first season. I also think it's pretty cool to see the contrast in both of our styles and have them both still be cool, you know what I mean? Even though technically this is kind of like an artist battle. It's more of like a character battle, to be honest, and it's more of a collaboration. And you guys can leave in the comments what other artists on Instagram you would like to see me collaborate with, and maybe here on YouTube as well. And then also for those watching Demon Slayer as well, or those who have watched it, what episode was the hook for you? Because I'm enjoying it a lot, but there was so much hype online, I thought I'd be hooked immediately, and I can't honestly say that I'm hooked just yet. What episode was the hook for you? I've been hearing a lot of episode 5s, I've been hearing a lot of episode 17s. 5 was good, but I've been hearing 17s, 19s. What was it for you? Like for instance with Bleach, I know where I got hooked with Bleach. You know, with each episode, I was getting into it, right? I was liking all the characters, the world building and all that cool stuff. I'm just gonna throw this out there, Hitsugaya is one of my least favorite characters. I can't explain why. Honestly, I can't remember why. I don't know, I just never liked his attitude. But there you go. Hitsugaya and Bleach was like pineapples on pizza for me. I can tolerate it, but do I want to tolerate it? But I think I was really, really hooked when they did a lot of Aizen stuff. I can't necessarily remember the episode, probably like episode 50, which is too far ahead. So maybe I was hooked before that, but that was the episode where I was like, oh, okay, I'm in. Like, it's real out here. Bleach definitely is one of the series, manga, anime, doesn't matter, that really got me into this stuff overall. And then I got into Gintama, One Piece, Naruto, and all the popular ones, and a couple ones that aren't as popular, and then One Punch Man, and the list goes on. I think it's really cool to do collaborations every once in a while as a break in between maybe something a little more serious. They might be working on a serious project. In my case, Apple Black, BACASSI, the list goes on, right? It's just a tiny breather to just have fun. Don't have too much fun, especially if there's work to be done. But I've always seen that it's cool to be able to learn from other artists and just be a part of the community. And in return, people will check out your stuff as well, and you guys can learn from one another, help each other grow. I know that played a major role in my growth in the beginning, learning from others, entering art contests, just overall collaboration, and forming that strong unit of a community. And I think there's a pretty strong one on Instagram. There's definitely a strong one within us at Saturday AM, for sure. Which brings me to the topic of one of our annual art competitions called March Art Madness. Every March, we go crazy. The craziest fan art contest on the planet, and I'll be coming to you guys with more details real soon. Just watch out for March Art Madness 2020, and you can go to the website or just Google March Art Madness and you will see all the details of the previous years and the previous winners winning iPads and gifts worth over $600, winning all sorts of stuff, and also gaining a lot of recognition for their craft. And we had fun with it. So we got our illustration coming together nicely. I sent it over to Louise. He put everything together, and here is the final piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can check out the Eclair version linked in the description. Please check out my page, Luis's page, as well as Saturday AM's Instagram pages. I think the final piece came out pretty sweet, pretty energetic, and it's always fun when artists come together to do fun stuff. So every now and then I try to put that in the schedule somewhere on YouTube or Instagram or wherever. So I'd like to thank the 2.5 people who made it to the end of this video, who binge watch all my videos. That helps a great deal. Don't forget to Detroit smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you stay notified each time I upload absolutely anything. Get 2 free months of Skillshare. Check out all Saturday AM social media, my social media, Twitter, Instagram, everything you could possibly need. Our new mobile app, everything will be in the description below. Swipe Manga, and I'm out.